Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside one of my customers' homes, getting ready to ship up into Michigan. I wanted to give you a look. This is an older series that we had, but I always like to put a video of my customers' homes before I ship them. So here we go. We're actually going to go into the back door with this home because it's going to showcase the main parts of the home and in my opinion the most beautiful parts. So coming in through the back door, we're going to step right into the laundry area. Now we have added the washer dryer cabinets. That's an option. Gas dryer. That's an option. We've got a main water shutoff inside. That's a standard feature, as well as water shutoffs throughout when we're talking about our new Aspire Home series, and that's what we're building today. We're also building a Prime Home series, which we'll get into that a little bit later on some different videos. But check out this kitchen. This home is going to Melissa and Justin. They got it for their daughter, I want to say, maybe son, daughter-in-law, anyway, for their children, and they did a great job. We've got crescent edging on the island. This is a 013 island. Every island's going to have an electrical outlet in it. A little bit of storage on this island. But what I love what they did the best in here is the rounding of the countertops. The crescent edging just gives it a whole new look. Nice and crisp and clean and fresh, in my opinion. We did add a gas range, microwave over that range, Timberwolf on the countertops with some brushed nickel knobs, glacier quartzite on the countertop with the laminate backsplash. That's what that is. We've got window blinds throughout. I think that's a great option, in my opinion, as well as a dishwasher, because I don't know if you're a lady, well, if you're a guy too, watching this video, it's a pain in the you-know-what to install blinds. Give me some curtains or have them done for me, and I'm a happy camper. Coming into the second bath, we've got a pantry over here. That's an optional pantry. And then the standard tub shower combination with the regular vanity. Hi, guys. And coming over here, this is going to be bedroom 2. Now I'm going to jump to the other side of the home and show you the primary bedroom as well as the living room. We'll get a look of the outside while we're out here. What do we have? Flint on the vinyl. They've added some black shutters here, and we're going to have a light over the door there. An electrical receptacle on the outside. That's a standard feature. You're also going to get one frost-free faucet with every home. You can add an additional one if you like. Additional ones, I guess, if you like. You can add more than one. The only time it is prohibited is we do not put frost-free faucets on the end wall. And when I say end wall, that means any wall that's on the very end of the home, whether it be that way or the other way. This is called a sidewall, obviously, because it's on the side. So if you hear me talking about that, that's what I'm talking about. Now, this customer also did a lino throughout. This is a Nordic white. And a lot of people would say, oh my God, Kristina, Mobile Home Mama, it's so white. How would I ever keep that clean? Let me tell you something. In all of our show homes here, every once in a while I'll go out and mop them, and this shows the least amount of dirt. It's amazing. So I would highly recommend the Nordic white. As always, we're going to have everything that's going to need to be there to have the home installed. When we put the two pieces together, we are going to seal them with a gasket. That gives it a nice seal. That also happens when we're putting the roof on, and as well as joining the sidewalls to the framing. So we use that gasket a lot. We're also going to have, of course, the rest of the siding that goes on the end walls and the shingles that finish off the top. Your fans, and I talked about this, I think a couple videos ago, but gotta tell you guys, these fans are white now. They are white. So we can do fans. We're not gonna put the blades on because they would just flop around and, you know, something bad would happen. So we leave the blades off. We leave that up to you to put those in. But if you don't want to do fans, you can always do the bracing up there for $93 as opposed to $264 for the fan. Anyways, coming into the primary bedroom. Still got the black knobs. That's going on. This is a nice size primary bedroom. I believe this is a 28 by 52 home. We used to call it the Meadow Oak. I'm going to put the name of what the replacement Aspire home would be in the description. So if you like the style, you like the size, give me a call. My name is Kristina. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. And man, I sure do appreciate you all. And I like when you come and visit me. Shout out to my friend Cole. He gave me a call yesterday, gave me some pointers on some things for my videos. So I love that you guys are with me as I'm growing. Thanks for watching.